Mack Trucks plans to lay off up to 450 workers at 2 facilities in Pennsylvania and Maryland, the company's director of public relations Kim Pupillo confirmed. The medium and heavy-duty truck manufacturers' job cuts will take place at the Lehigh Valley Operations Center in Macungie, Pennsylvania, and the Powertrain Development and Production Plant in Hagerstown, Maryland. Mack Trucks expects the layoffs to impact 250 to 350 workers at the Pennsylvania site over the next 90 days, and 50 to 100 employees at the Maryland location between now and May 2nd. The 125-year-old company told Industrial Equipment News in an email that heavy-duty truck orders have been negatively affected by market uncertainty regarding freight rates and demand, possible regulatory changes, and the impact of tariffs. The statement added that the company needed to align production with the reduced demand for its vehicles, which are sold and serviced in nearly 30 countries. The layoffs come as President Donald Trump announced a series of tariffs, including 25% on auto imports. Part of Mack Trucks' production since 1975, the Lehigh Valley Operations Center assembles Mack Trucks Class 8 trucks for North American and export markets. The facility features 1.7 million square feet of space and employs approximately 3,050 workers. The Powertrain Development and Production Plant produces heavy-duty diesel engines, transmissions, and drivelines, and includes about 1,800 workers. Mack Trucks network also features the Roanoke Valley Operations Facility in Salem, Virginia, which handles production of the MD and MD Electric, the company's line of Class 6 and 7 medium-duty trucks. The company has been a subsidiary of Volvo since 2000. I'm Nolan Beilstein. This is Manufacturing Now.